Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. Today I'm with 4 job plus 1 internship updates. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for regular updates related to jobs and internships. Also turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. So starting with the first one, Dell Technologies is hiring for software engineer first automation and required experience is 1 to 3 years. Experience in automation languages in Python, Python, Perl, and so on. And desired requirements is experience in programming in C, embedded programming in C and C++, and so on. Second update is from AirAsia. AirAsia is hiring for senior software engineer. Location is in Bangalore, and required experience is that to be proficient in web development using Go, Node.js, more than 5 years of experience, great in data structure, algorithm, aptitude and problem solving, and so on. Third update is for an internship. ClearFeed is hiring for software engineer intern. Location is in Bengaluru, and these are the responsibilities and requirements. Thorough understanding of React and its core principle, willing to learn new frameworks and languages where required. So go through all these details. A fourth update is from Barclays. Barclays is hiring for application support, and its requirements is that uh, basic qualifications is that computer engineering graduate and above. Below skills are required: scripting, writing and reading, Shell, Unix, PL, SQL scripts, database, working knowledge on enterprise RDBMS such as Oracle, SQL Server, Hadoop, and so on. Go through these details. If your skills and required role matches, then apply for these opportunities. And the last update is from Siemens Energy. It's hiring for graduate trainee engineer. Location is Gurugram. A role is for early professional for junior developer, and these are the required skills that you must have: strong reasoning and problem solving skills, ability to develop program solution in C, C++, Java, C Sharp, Python, or other programming languages, knowledge of any relational database, familiar with SQL queries. Okay, so go. All the links will be in the description. If you have any doubt, then I have attached a Google form in the description. Fill the form to ask your doubts. Okay. Also follow our LinkedIn page. Here I post regularly related to jobs, internships, or for any other or for any resources. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.